Hello all, and welcome to today's video. So today we'll be going over how to record professional audio in 3 simple steps. Stage 1. Atmosphere is everything. When it comes to recording professional audio, you need to make sure there is no background noise when possible. One way you can achieve this is through soundproofing. You can buy things like soundproofing tiles, but there are also isolation shields that you can buy online. However, if you cannot afford this, using towels and clothes is also a suitable alternative. Even doing the littlest things like this can help drastically improve sound quality. You should also try to avoid recording in cities or around traffic and roads when possible. And if this is unavoidable, try and record at night when it's less busy. Stage 2. Setting up your equipment. You should try and go out and do some research on the best microphone for you for what you're recording. So if you are recording inside like a podcast, using something like a cardio microphone, like the AT2020 right here, is a good option. However, if you're looking to record outside audio, whether you're doing an outside podcast or recording public interviews or whatever else, a super cardioid is a better choice. So that would be something like a boom mic. When recording with a cardioid microphone, try to stay around 30 centimeters or about 12 inches away from it. This is not too far, but it's not too close either. It's in the right range for it to record, and it's kind of like the Goldilocks zone. Using a pop filter is essential if you want good sounding quality. See, the problem is when you say letters like P, B, S, T, things like that, it can cause a spike in your audio and actually blow air into the microphone itself. So to avoid anything like that and to make sure your audio sounds as good as possible, you should always use a pop filter like this one. They're not much, they're about £5-10 on Amazon, and they make a world of a difference. To record the best quality audio, you should always use an audio interface as well as an XLR cable. This is a massive difference compared to something like a USB microphone, like the Blue Yeti for example, but honestly, the difference is worthwhile. Stage 3. Setting up Adobe Audition. So when you're going to record, you want to actually go into the WAV file, the waveform itself, and when you're actually setting it up, you should set it to 44.1 Hz and try to set it for 16 bitrate. You should always make sure that before recording that your preferences are set to the right input, so whether that be input 1, input 2, whatever else. Before recording, it's always best to check your levels. Now the best thing to do is try to record below -12, -15 and then normalize it later on. This will avoid any distortion in your audio later on, which you cannot change once it's recorded. Having this headroom above the audio gives you more wiggle room to mess about with the sounds and make it louder essentially. I also forgot to mention this during the recording process with the camera. So when recording audio, it's best to record mono if you're recording vocals. This means there isn't an imbalance on the left and right channels. So that was 3 simple stages of professional audio recording. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in more tips and tricks around recording professional audio and video for your podcast, make sure to check out our blog. It'll be in the link tree in the description. Anyways, bye for now. Thank you.